Alright guys, so we're just taking a look on the progress of this Plaza East 15. I would have done previous video on it. I'll put it in the description for you guys. So welcome to the channel, Rush fam. You know, it's the Discovery boss, Rush Raymore. So we're here with just another update for you guys. Remember to subscribe if you're new. You know, I know a few persons always watch and probably don't see the need to subscribe, but it's free. You know, join the family. Remember to like, comment, and share as well. So the last time we came here, not so much of the glass went in for this plaza, but we've seen a lot more glass has gone in, and it's a lot closer to completion right now. This is East 15, new plaza right here on Eastwood Park Road. So just giving you guys an update. Elevator is there. They will have a rooftop setting, underground parking with a few spaces above ground as well. Very central, right next to the transport center. So when I'm driving, you guys will see that as well. Beside it though is calling for some development. It's, you know, like a big land space full of shops and shacks and bars and lots of stuff. But I guess as time go by and you know, progress and development happens, then, you know, places like here will be developed as well, because this is prime real estate in the middle of Halfway Tree. Let me know what you guys think. Share your comments, share your thoughts. So again, East 15, that's what we're taking a look at today. Then we'll do some driving as well. We'll be driving onto Molynes Road, we'll be traveling through the Molynes community to get there. So stay tuned for that, guys. Alright guys, so we're gonna head on the road now, and you guys will see a better shot of where we are. So stay tuned for it. So we're in the compound of Burger King, Halfway Tree, next to the transport center. And we're gonna head on to Eastwood Park Road. So that's the transport center right here. You know, hundreds of thousands of commuters pass through daily. One of the busiest areas in Kingston and in Jamaica. So we're gonna head on to Eastwood Park Road. Stay tuned for that. So we're on Eastwood Park Road now, and then we're gonna dive into the Eastwood Park community, and then through there we'll end up on Molynes Road, just past Courtney Walsh Drive on the left, and Hillview Avenue on the left again. We have the back entrances to the plazas that are on Constant Spring Road. Those are on the right, and we're gonna take this left coming up on Westminster Road. Alright, so we're now on Westminster Road, and we're gonna make our way onto Molynes Road. now at the intersection of Dumbarton Avenue and Westminster Road. We're gonna head on down to Molynes Road, and then from there we'll head back into Half a Tree. Alright guys, enjoy the drive. Leave a comment. Alright guys, so we're gonna be entering back Molynes Road on the left. Alright, so we're back on Molynes Road. It seems as if there was probably not an accident, but the car broke down here. Let me let through a few people. Be a good Samaritan for once at least. Alright, so guys, so that was a quick drive and just a quick highlight update on East 15 Plaza, right in the middle of Half a Tree. And then we did like a drive back onto Molynes. So thanks for clicking on the video, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all that you do. Really appreciate it. Alright, I'll just end the video at the stoplight intersection of Molynes Road and Eastwood Park Road. So we'll end the video there. So thanks for the support guys, really appreciate it. And we know we have all different type of videos on the channel. Sometimes it's a drone video, sometimes it's a driving video, sometimes it's an apartment review, a new construction, you know, all different type of video for you guys. So thanks for clicking and thanks for the support, and I'll definitely see you guys on another video.